been getting a lot of videos lately of street food, so now I think probably be a good idea to make a blog about street food. It's just a drunk idea. I'll let you know what I think about it tomorrow morning. I'm in line and I'm about to get chicken feet. I'm about to eat some. Here we go. What do you think, BB? Chicken feet? You want to have some?
No.
You don't want to try the chicken feet? Not even a bite?
I don't know, maybe a bite.
Not like you're not gonna eat the whole thing and I'm just gonna steal yours.
I mean, I don't want to eat one of those. Is what I mean.
Oh, okay.
Fresh out of the meat.
Chicken feet. Here we go.
Get that now?
You know, it is really good. It is like a chicken wing, but it's the bones. There's little bones in here that you gotta eat around.
Does it taste like chicken wings or?
Like a grizzly chicken wing. That'd be the best way to describe it. Okay. Yeah. Wanna try it? Good. Grizzly.
I'm scared of the nails.
But delicious. You should be.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them. So far, the food, the street food and just the restaurant food in Peru, in our opinions, has been a lot better. The flavor.
Yeah, lots of flavor.
Even though the picante is a big thing. Ecuador had a good picante, but it got old after a while. But here,
It wasn't spicy.
yeah, it wasn't spicy. That's true. It was good flavor. It just wasn't spicy. And that was their hot sauce. And when you said, "Do you have anything hotter?" they looked at you like, "Oh, here's Tabasco."
Here's ketchup.
Or here's ketchup to throw some heat on there. So they, yeah, here they have a hot sauce, but they flavor their food. They season their food, and it's delicious. Don't even get me started on that ceviche. Adding to the list of things to have on street food is these hamburgers that are massive, and they cost 5 soles, which is roughly $1.50 for these burgers. And you're gonna see how big they are. Otra papa más. Ese es él. Becerro. Y me respondió un buen entendió. Ahí sí. Big burger. Oh yeah. That's so good. Yeah, that's easily one of the best fast food burgers we've ever had. Hands down. That was really good. That's so good. Yeah, no chicken feet this time. I tried it, I'm glad I did, but it's just too much work. A little too much work for me. One of the cool things about this area is you can have food that costs a total of $2, $3, but it tastes like something that you would get at a high-end restaurant. The shish kebabs here are amazing. And all it is this, whatever that butter sauce is with the garlic on it, they just press it on that cold, or that hot press. I don't know what they do to it, but oh my God, is it so good. So we've been to that particular stand twice now. Every time we've been there so far, the food is so good. They know how to make, the yuca's really good. Everything comes with yucas, and they just marinate that chicken so well. It's one of our favorite little street food spots because you get big pieces of chicken and rarely are there bones in it. And when there are, they're tiny. Some of the places around here, it's like 3/4 bone, and somewhere in there it's just like a gristle meat, which is not as good. So I'm gonna put a poll in the corner. Tell me if you like these food videos. I'll keep doing them. I think I'm gonna keep doing them anyway because everyone loves street food, and well, we've been loving the street food for lots of reasons. It's delicious and it's like $5 the most. It's really good. So we are in the process of heading to a friend that we made a couple nights ago at a hostel down the street from us. It's his birthday today. So we're heading there and we're gonna have some drinks and watch him probably get really hammered.